Hi you guys, just back for our weekly video. I just wanted to do a quick short little video explaining the expectations for this coming week from Wednesday to Tuesday, so the 30th of September to October 6th. With having NWEA, I decided to only do one set of notes this week. However, you do have a quiz, and so if you look at our agenda, you'll see you have about 2 days worth of assignments, which is about as normal as it would be if you were actually in school. So first on the list, watch the weekly video. You're doing that. Congrats. Proud of you. Second is to do your quiz. So this quiz is over 1.1 and 1.2 and 1.3. So it's over all 3 sections that we've learned so far. You do not get a calculator. I do want you to show your work, and then I'm actually going to have you post a picture of your showing work form to Schoology, so that way I can see that. Then you're going to do your 1.4 math notes, and that's subtracting integers, so subtracting positive and negative numbers. That's day 1. So you're going to take a quiz and do your notes. Day 2 would be completing that 1.4 Big Ideas homework assignment. Take a picture of your showing work form and upload it. And then complete the quizzes review. So it's just reviewing 1.4 notes that you would have done the previous day of math. And so that's all that I ask of you this week. If you have questions on the quiz, please email me. If you would like to meet on Zoom before taking the quiz, I recommend that too. You can come on there, ask any questions you might have. My times this week, we have Thursday and Friday. So we have Thursday and Friday at 10:30 to 11. So from 10:30 to 11, that's when I would technically have you all in class. And so if you have questions, hop on there, send me emails, but there's no word problems. It's literally solving problems similar to your homework on Big Ideas. So if you have any questions, let me know, but I'll let you guys get to work.